Good afternoon everyone, it's Nathan here from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today I am currently doing a repair on this customer's air conditioner. Now I do know it is getting absolutely scorching out there, so if you guys have any aircon issues, you're more than likely going to want to get on top of that, get that fixed straight away coming into these hot conditions. You can come on down to AllBrand and come see us here on Connaught Street, or you can leave a comment below in the comment section and we can get it sorted for you. And if you've got any general questions, don't be afraid to call up and ask guys, we're always here to help. Thank you, have a great day.